Tired of complicated platforms that feel like you need a computer science degree to start an online store? Today, we're diving into Shopify to see if it truly lives up to the hype of being easy to use, even if you're not a tech whiz. First impressions matter, and Shopify's dashboard is clean and straightforward. The menu on the left guides you through all the essential areas, like orders, products, customers, content, analytics, marketing, and sales channels. You'll find your way around in no time. Customizing your store is a breeze thanks to Shopify's drag-and-drop functionality. Choose from a vast library of pre-designed themes, then simply move elements around to create a look and feel that reflects your brand. No coding required. Adding products is just as simple. Enter your product details, upload images, set your price, and you're good to go. Shopify guides you through each step, so you don't miss anything important. Need extra functionality? The Shopify App Store has thousands of apps to enhance your store. From marketing automation to inventory management, many are designed to be installed and used with just a few clicks. Stuck on something? Shopify's Help Center is packed with helpful articles and tutorials. Plus, their 24/7 support team is always available to answer your questions. While there is a learning curve involved with mastering e-commerce, Shopify provides an accessible platform for non-technical users to build and manage a thriving online business. So ditch the coding anxieties and get ready to bring your entrepreneurial dreams to life with Shopify.